And welcome to all of you in my English channel Elite English Club, and today I brought for class 9th poem Weathering the Storm in Erasmus. It is from Moment Book chapter 6. So let's start. It is a story of a boy whose name is Prashant, who is suffered from a storm. So this is the story, gives an account of the storm that hit the coastal town of Erasmus in Odisha state in the year 1999. A young boy, Prashant, faced the fury of the storm and reached his village. Thus, details of how he worked hard to help the villagers overcome the devastation caused by the storm inspire us to have courage and a positive approach towards life. Now we will see summary. Prashant was a young boy of 19 years of age. He belonged to Kalikuda, a village in the coastal state of Odisha. He had lost his mother 7 years ago. On 27th October 1999, when he was visiting a friend in Erasmus, a super cyclone hit the area. There was large-scale devastation. The gushy winds and rains continued for 2 days. The torrential rain destroyed everything, and they remained on the rooftop of the house and survived on the tender coconuts from the coconut trees that had fallen on the roof. As the rain stopped, Prashant left for his home as he feared the worst for his family. He took a stick to help him find the road. At times he had to swim through the flood waters. On the way he met two friends and their uncle, and the group moved together. They came across dead bodies of human beings and animals which floated with the current. As they crossed village, not even a single house could be seen. Prashant's house was shattered too, and he saw the belongings hanging on the branches of the trees. He wept as he felt that he had lost his beloved. He went to the Red Cross shelter in search of his family. Prashant met his maternal grandmother. She was elated to see him alive, as they had not expected that he would have survived the storm. He met with all his family members, and now he saw a crowd of 2,500 people at the shelter. Many had lost their families in the disaster. They were grief-stricken as the catastrophe had snatched everything. For the last 2 days, they had survived on coconuts, but they were running out of stock. Prashant took control of the situation. He formed a group with some elders and young people. They forced the merchant to give them the stock of rice and were successful. After 4 days, the crowd ate a meal. Then the group of volunteers cleaned the shelter and tended to the injured people. Prashant engaged the widows to work in the NGOs named Food for Work. They prepare food for the people. He engaged the children. He arranged sports matches for them. The volunteers managed to set up foster families comprising of the widows, orphaned children, and lone men who would form a family, support and each other. Like this, Prashant overcame his grief and learned to smile even in the face of adversities. Prashant was a leader who led the situation and overcame from that situation. He was a young leader. He was inspiration for the people and for the young generation. So I hope you like this chapter. Keep watching. Do not forget to comment in comment box. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe.